You know, people love to say that the IRS will never settle back taxes, right? They want to make you pay every single penny in full. And that's just wrong. The IRS does settle tax debt all the time through the Offer and Compromise program. It's absolutely a real program, and they do it. So today I'm going to break it down. 2 reasons why the IRS does in fact settle. Number one is they'd rather get something now, guaranteed now, rather than the potential of maybe, possibly getting more later. And the second reason is that when they agree to an offer and compromise, they've got you locked in for the next 5 years. Let me break it down. If you owe back taxes, the IRS has 10 years to collect on the debt. And that's 10 years from the date of what they call assessment. If their own analysis shows that you'll never be able to pay the debt in full within that 10-year period of time, they'd rather take something now rather than to spend 10 years chasing after you and trying to come and get you and ultimately end up with nothing, or end up with the same thing they would have gotten had they accepted an offer 10 years ago. Does that make sense? Kind of let that sink in. They could spend years chasing you and spending resources and spending time and spending money and ultimately get the same thing that they would have gotten if they had just accepted an offer. And that's why they do it. So they look at your income, your expenses, your assets and liabilities, and try to conclude how much they think they can get from you before the statute runs out. So here's an example. Let's say you owe $80,000 in back taxes. But after they look at your finances, your income, your expenses, your assets and liabilities, and they determine that all they can get out of you, if they chase you for the next 10 years, they garnish your wages, they levy your bank accounts, all they can get out of you is $10,000, they'd rather do an offer and compromise with you and settle that $80,000 debt for $10,000 now, rather than to spend the next 10 years chasing you. Why? Because $10,000 now is worth more to them than $80,000 potential later. So when someone says that the IRS doesn't settle, they're just wrong. The IRS settles when it makes financial sense for them. Hey guys, I'm Corey Hankerson. I'm Levy King. I've been doing this for 15 years, helping you fight back against the IRS and win. If you got a tax problem, give me a call at 1-877-538-9546 or book an appointment at www.legacytfp.as.me. Hope to hear from you soon. Catch me in the next video. Bye.